After a small dip, market is on the way to 60,000 again. Mr. Elon Musk said that he will not dump crypto. He is always trying to pump the market, and even other altcoins are also working well. But some news which will again take the BTC down probably. So for all the news, subscribe our channel T Crypto and also press the bell icon. Stay tuned and stay blessed. So the first news in our list is that after the Barclays and Santander, UK bank NatWest blocks the payments to Binance. What they said, a major high street bank in the UK, NatWest, has blocked the payments to crypto exchange Binance. NatWest's decision came after two other major British banks, Barclays and Santander, made a similar move to block funds transfers to the Binance. The banks acted in response to a warning on the cryptocurrency exchange by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority (FCA). Our customers will still be able to accept the cryptocurrencies as the form of payment. Basically, they stated that if anyone want to use the crypto as a payment, they'll be able to utilize it, but secondly, they also said one thing, that you are unable to purchase the crypto with your own debit and credit card via using this bank, NatWest. So overall, this news is not as much good for the cryptocurrency, but still the BTC is going up. BTC is at about 34,453, and even other altcoins are also performing well, because after Mr. Elon Musk said that he is going to pump the BTC and other crypto coins, he don't want to dump the BTC. And second big news, that the Amazon's payment team hiring digital currency expert to develop the cryptocurrency strategy and products. What they said, Amazon's payment acceptance and experience team is hiring a digital currency and blockchain expert to develop the company's digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap, including a launch strategy. We are inspired. Basically, they said that we are inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon, the company's spokesperson said. Overall, number of big coins like Dogecoin already said, and they basically filed a petition on the Changely.pro again and again that you must have to use the Dogecoin, and even the Shiba Inu team and also the SHIB army petitioned this thing, that the Amazon must have to use the Shiba Inu coin. So basically they said that the payments acceptance and experience team is seeking an experienced product leader to develop the Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap. So overall, the shopping.io already stated this thing, that you can use the platform. Shopping.io is basically a SPI. I think the name of this coin is SPI. So they already said one thing, that you can use the platform and you can buy anything directly from the Amazon by using the cryptocurrencies. But at this time, Amazon team is hiring new big developers, and definitely they are going to launch their own cryptocurrency, and that will be a huge thing for crypto market. They said that we are inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. Definitely it will look like huge, because I think more than 1 billion users are there which are using the Amazon every day. So if they are going to use the cryptocurrency, definitely that will be a huge thing for cryptocurrency, and it will push the market to at least 60,000. What do you think, that the next move of the BTC will be up to $25,000 or $60,000? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.